Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the updated steps on how to allow microphone access for the Roblox app on your PC. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up the Start menu. From there, look for the Settings icon, which looks like a gear, and click on it. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find and select Privacy and Security from the options on the left sidebar. This section is crucial because it provides all the controls related to app permissions. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, scroll down and locate the Camera option. Click on it to open the camera settings. Even though we are focusing on microphone access, you'll notice that handling camera permissions can sometimes tie into overall app functionality. Now here's where you can manage app permissions. Look for Roblox in the list of applications. If you find that the app is currently disabled, you will need to toggle the setting to allow microphone access. Simply switch the slider to On. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled microphone access for Roblox on your PC. This new update makes it easy to adjust settings, ensuring that you can enjoy your favorite games without any interruptions. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks about your favorite apps. Happy gaming!